Hello everyone, today we are in Daman at SmartCut Synergy conference hosted by Dhanarya and Sandvik Coromant in association with Cimatron and GibbsCAM.
Today we have gathered here in Daman for our value-added reseller Dhanarya Techno Services, who is bringing different parts of this Sandvik group together under one roof, bringing expertise from cutting tools for like Coromant and for part machining cam for GibbsCAM, as well as tool and die making expertise by Cimatron. Today we are all gathered here for one purpose: to showcase what Sandvik Group can deliver for the manufacturing industry in Gujarat, and how can we help them take their manufacturing to the next level.
So today we have organized event in association with Sandvik Coromant, GibbsCAM and Cimatron. The name of the event is SmartCut Synergy, where tool meets intelligence. So we are the authorized reseller for Sandvik Coromant, GibbsCAM and Cimatron. Today we got almost more than 100 customers, and few of them are machine tool builders and very prospect customers for our future business. So I would like to thank each and everyone for being here, and we are looking forward to work with them in the near future. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. I'm really happy and proud to share that we have come here in Vapi, all the Sandvik Group, GibbsCAM, Cimatron and Sandvik Coromant, with an exclusive event with the name SmartCut, wherein all three brands are present here, presenting to the customers here in Vapi end-to-end solution, bringing in not just the tools but also the CAD as well as the CAM technology, wherein they get the difference in terms of output at their shop floor. So really excited for the event and looking forward to it.
Cimatron is all about delivering an end-to-end solution. At this event, Sandvik Coromant and Dhanarya, we are showing how the design, CAM and cutting tools work together seamlessly to reduce the lead time and improve the machining efficiency. Thank you all for joining with us here.